Hello everyone, I'm going to talk about effective production. Must be including a recipe part and parameter part. The recipe setting item just added by process engineer. Normally, the recipe setting item just, for example, just like this. This is the develop. Just when we talk about it at the senior part, senior level part. We set on one swing from 2 seconds to 9 seconds, from the 0 second step. The develop solution spread time 2 seconds to 9 seconds, and develop paddle drop time just 9 seconds to 19 seconds. This is the on-one recipe setting to control the developed solution spread and paddle dispensing, and onto swing movement from 30 seconds to 40 seconds. The rings dispense chemical or DIY dispense, following by the onto swing movement from the 30 seconds to 40 seconds, and the end to blow start from the 40 to 50. End to blow means end to blow to the surface of the wafer to blow it, and the backside end to blow, and the backside ring start from 40 seconds to 55 seconds. It is the dispensing setting by the recipe added by the process engineer. In the meantime, when it dispensing, the chuck rotating speed RPM setting. The 1 second to 20 seconds we use the 500 RPM. 20 to 13 we use the 800 RPM. And we can set the chuck spin from 0 to 500 RPM accelerate speed, and the 20 to 30 from the 500 to 800 RPM accelerate speed setting, and so on. RPM and its chuck rotating time and its changes speed accelerate setting. The swing speed, the on swing speed, just every 10 seconds 1 cycle. Swing to right and swing to left. And the cover close, a cup cover close during the spin, during after the nozzle back and start to dry out. The cover close, yes or no. This is the whole recipe added item, for example, with develop equipment. It's all set at the personal computer terminal by the process engineer. It is also important and direct to affect production condition, including another part, parameter setting by the equipment engineer. So the tuning recipe period, the engineer of equipment and process work together the job just can be done. What is the parameter setting? For example, the chemical pump pressure setting. Use this controller to set the pump pressure. Then, for example, another case. This is the chemical solution. Analyze, concentrate, and control the concentration by this chemical concentration analyzer to control, to set the concentration value and the high and the low limit, and the high along and low along. Another kind of this is the sensor terminal photo sensor and its amplifier, or we call controller, a fiber position sensor. You can set the process equipment or device by the fiber position sensor to set its position. For example, to dispense chemical position, or the on up down position, and so on. This is the flow meter adjustment device. We use this screw to set the level sensor, the flow level. For example, the chemical flow level, how many cc per minute, to control the dispense flow rate. And this is alarm setting. If has accident for flow rate up to above or too low, it can alarm to the equipment to warning the engineer to inspect it. This is a truck speed control setting. A truck speed control setting connect to a truck spin motor, and it can set acceleration rate 3 equal how much real acceleration, or you can set the RPM adjustment parameter, or we call it coefficient, to let the RPM to match the real RPM, and set the alarm high to warn the engineer to inspect the machine where it rotates too quick or too slow. And this is the pumping driver, speed control, and the alarm setting. This is the screen. This is the screen, and there is a function button. To set the pump drive speed control, not only the flow rate control, but also its pressure control. And we can set high and low alarm to warn engineer to check out with the pump. Almost all equipment has all kinds of gas supply. This is the gauge and the regulator to regulate the gas from the facility supply, its flow rate and pressure, and the fluid spread, flow rate and the pressure from the facility to the equipment along the line. Maybe we have 2 or 3 pressure and the flow rate to set in the line. And some particular equipment, we must set another process material, specific material, its flow rate and the pressure. And also device speed control set. We have set the CDA pressure or CDA flow or fluid material to control the device speed by setting its flow rate or pressure to control the device speed. The right side, inferior equipment has to be setting by equipment engineer, and after tuning the recipe completely, the value must be fixed, no shift. A superior type of equipment, this is all signal connect to the computer and set it in the computer terminal, just like the recipe setting. Even it transfers signal to the computer of the factory to let the factory side can receive this parameter signal and let engineer sitting at the office and can watch it value or use it in the SPC chart to monitor it. All the recipe setting and parameter setting. Are very important for production. Probably this setting almost 100, for example, 100 items. One of them shipped. It causes production with low yield, abnormal. So, a superior advanced equipment designed to set all the item value transferred to the computer of the factory, and every time running for production, the computer factory reviews all the item value. If it's shipped, the computer will not let equipment to run the production wafer and get warning to let the engineer to check it out. So, this kind superior advanced equipment to let engineer work very convenient, not causing a lot of time to inspect this item value all the time. So, order to buy a superior advanced equipment with this recipe and parameter control function automatically can save manpower and save maintenance time and improve the throughput time and ensure the production equipment or in the spec to keep yield. So, due to that, we can understand why the good air and a good technology semiconductor factory must cost a lot of money to buy this expensive equipment for higher technology, as we talked about at first before. Okay, let's all see you next time.